welcome again. I am back from the trip after I changed that bearing before. Something strange happened. Actually, I was going to my friend after I changed that bearing, and it felt a little weird from beginning. And after we drive outside town, in second, when we drive outside the town in second direction from ours, and when we hit 19 kilometers per hour mark, the wheel start to be a little wobbly. We think, well, it's a trap. Are we going to make it or not? The bearing make it, but every 10 or so kilometers, miles, whatever, it became a little worse. So first we are going to check it. So now we just need to check our bearing if it's going bad. The best thing is to check its ability to be loose. This way, because it's front, we have our steering rack, so it will be loose in this position, but it shouldn't have any movement doing up and down motions. I don't feel any, but I don't trust this, so I will be unbolting 5 nuts that are here, and then we will check what's going on. The most valid test it would be to take off our brake disc, but I will just press it a little with wooden clamp I showed you before, and then check movement of our brake disc, because taking a caliper is also some kind of job to do. I don't feel any special movement, but this might not be a professional thing, but first let's check movement in this position. This movement around could be caused by corrosion that is happening on the surface of the disc. This should be galvanized and shouldn't corrode, but as you see, it seems like it is a corrosion. So the verdict is I need to take a brake disc and brake caliper, because it's nothing I can see without taking off these two parts. as you see, we didn't saw any movement by dial. It is little, it is like little offset, maybe it is something we should check, but overall this seems to be working bearing, so let's put everything together and maybe I will ask my friend. So, as you saw, this wasn't a bearing, so I don't know, have no idea now why my wheel is vibrating in higher speeds. It was balanced as you saw before. I don't know. I will be thinking. I'm leaving car here because I will probably change. Little greeting with my brother. So as I was saying, I'm leaving car here because I will be changing spark coils for original one that was on this engine when I bought it. Now it is LS conversion. But everybody is now talking shit about conversions because mostly because the adapters are faulty. I don't know. I'm assuming that everybody that just did conversion to LS, that just selling kits for LS, it just takes adapters from China. It is below $1,000 for let me remember. I think it will be 100 set. So it will be below $10 per each adapter. So just buy LS coils, make some LS conversion spark plugs. I don't know actually where to take spark plugs. Make some bracket and yeah, just sold as yours. But or tomorrow or maybe today I will be changing spark coils. See you then.